Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about 5 heads of income for computation of Income Tax Act. Basically, for the purpose of charging of tax and computation of total income, Section 14 of Income Tax Act classified 5 heads of income under the following categories, which are salaries, house property, profit and gains of business or profession, capital gains, and other sources. Now, after computing total income under different 5 heads, we will disclose our income in ITR, that is income tax return. Now let's talk about tax rate. So on these computed incomes, tax will be calculated as per the tax slab rates, and not all the incomes are taxable. Several incomes are also tax-free. Deductions are also allowed on several incomes, which will help us in reducing our tax liability substantially. Now here comes a question that why we bifurcate our income into 5 different heads. Although there is only one tax on the income calculated under various heads, but there are different rules of computation of income under each head. So we have to apply those rules for calculating the income into each head. Our first head of income is income from salaries. An income can be taxed under this head only if there is a relationship of an employer or employee between the payer and the payee. If such kind of a relationship does not exist between the payer and the payee, then the income would not be deemed to be income from salary, and we will tax such income into different head of income that can be income from business or profession or income from other sources, as the case may be. Our second head of income is income from house property. Rental income earned is being taxed under this head. However, in case the property is self-occupied, then tax would be calculated on the expected rent that would have been received if this property was rented out. Also, various deductions allowed on income from house property. These deductions are standard deduction, deduction for municipal taxes paid, and deduction for interest on home loan. Third head of income is profits and gains from the business or profession. Any income earned from any trade, commerce, manufacture, profession shall be chargeable under this head. Government also allowed deductions and several specified expenses from this head of income. Fourth head of income is income from capital gains. Any profits or gains arising from the transfer of a capital asset shall be deemed to be the income of the financial year in which the transfer took place. Some capital gains are also exempted, and these exemptions are provided under Section 54, 54B, 54D, etc. Fifth and last head of income is income from other sources. Any income which is not chargeable to tax under the 4 heads of income which I have explained you just now shall be chargeable to tax under this head of income, provided that income should not be exempted from the computation of total income. This was about 5 different heads of income as per Income Tax Act. If you really like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.